Hey guys, today we're going to be drawing the Breakfast of Champions. I'm using an iPad Pro with the Procreate app. Now you don't need this to follow along. You can use a white sheet of paper, a black marker for outline, and markers and crayons for coloring in. Now I've already gone and created two layers, the outline layer and the color layer. The outline layer is where we're going to be using our black marker for outline, and the color layer is where we're going to be coloring. If you're using a white sheet of paper, you can go and grab a black marker. And I have little Blakey here again. Say hi.
Hi.
Blakey, what is the Breakfast of Champions?
Bacon, French toast and pancakes and some bacon.
Okay, so let's draw our plate first. So we're in our outline layer and we're gonna draw a circle for the plate, okay? So to draw a perfect circle, make a round circle. Don't let go of your Apple Pencil and just tap anywhere on the screen to make it a perfect circle. All right, so what are you gonna put inside your plate?
I'm drawing another line.
Okay, you're gonna do 2 lines on the plate?
Yeah.
Okay, me too. So here's my plate. I'm not gonna let go. I'm gonna hold it.
Wait, are we drawing our favorite foods?
Yeah. Okay, so my favorite food is sunny side up eggs. So I'm gonna draw an egg right over
I
here.
like it with avocados.
Oh, you like avocados? Me too.
I'm going to draw avocado.
Here is my sunny side up egg. And what else should we put? What is that?
Eggs.
Oh.
Scrambled eggs.
What else do I have? I have toast. And then I'm gonna have bacon. So let me draw some bacon over here. I think I'm gonna do 2 pieces of bacon.
This is the French toast.
And here is my toast, which is going to hang off my plate. And I realize that if you are drawing on a piece of paper, that's gonna be really hard for you to erase. So very sorry about that. Just gonna take my eraser. Wait, let me see your drawing, Blake.
There. I'm ready to
Oh,
color.
you're ready to color? Okay, let me finish first, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna put some beans here because Daddy likes to make beans. What else should I put on here? What else should I put on here, Blake? What am I forgetting?
Some bread.
Yeah, this is my bread.
Oh, yeah. Yes. What about some pancakes?
Oh, pancakes? I don't know if I can fit it on here. Okay, maybe I'll do small pancakes.
What about you do cut up pancakes?
Well, I'll just do a circle. Here's one pancake. And then here's another pancake underneath it. Okay, so hold on. We're gonna just shrink this because I need to draw a fork and a knife. Like this, Blake, look.
What?
I'm gonna draw a fork.
I'm going to get my black.
And then a knife. And then I'm also gonna draw my cup that has my tea. What do you drink in the morning?
I drink.
Is it orange juice that you like?
No, I drink tea too.
Oh yeah, that's right. Sometimes you like tea. Sometimes you like orange juice. Sometimes you like iced tea. All right. So guess what? I think we're ready to color.
No.
Oh, you're not ready? So we're in our color layer, and I'm gonna start coloring first my plate because it's in the background. So I'm gonna choose just a light gray for my plate. Ooh, I love your bacon. That's a good representation. All right, guys, so now I have my plate colored in. And you know what? I'm gonna grab my black again, and I'm gonna decorate the outside of my plate. All right, I am ready to color in my egg. So I'm gonna choose a yellow for the yolk. And I'm just gonna leave a little white part for the highlight. Like that. Do you have eggs, Blake?
Mm-hmm.
Did you color them already? Oh, they're scrambled.
What? How did a line get there?
All right. And then I'm gonna color in my beans. They're like a dark brown red. That. Okay, next I'm gonna color my bacon. What color is your bacon right now? Yours is like...
Red.
Let's see if that works. I really liked how you did that piece on the bacon, Blake. How you colored it in.
The lines.
Mm-hmm. Maybe I should do that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Did you pick a lighter color?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, lighter color for the lines.
Okay, so then maybe I should pick a lighter red, like that. Can I see your bacon again? So you just did, do that again, just a line like this, right?
No, I did a...
Oh, you did a full line. Sometimes bacon is not a full line, but I'm gonna leave a space like that.
It's to the top, to the top, to the bottom. Look, see on the top.
I'm gonna do mine a bit different.
Okay.
Okay, there's my bacon. Then my pancakes, which is like a yellow, beige.
Wait. Oh, I drew my bread.
forgot I also have to put some syrup on here.
I put syrup.
Oh, and some chocolate chips. Some chocolate chip pancakes, right?
Mm-hmm. Mine is black again.
Okay, so next I'm gonna draw my syrup. It's kind of like a clear color. So I'm gonna decrease my opacity, which is this little bar right here. Then I'm just gonna draw some syrup. See how the opacity works? It's kind of like a watercolor. And then I'm gonna put some chocolate chips. Put some dots. Does that look like chocolate chips?
Yeah. Looks like a cookie.
Or it looks like a cookie. Oh well, it's fine. And then last, I'm going to...
Why don't you just do triangle?
Triangles? Okay, we could do that. We could try triangle chocolate chips. Okay, let me get a chocolate color. Okay. Whoops, it's too thick. Does that look like chocolate chips?
Yeah. Bright yellow.
And then my piece of toast. Oh, is that your toast?
Yeah.
What do you like on your toast? Do you like peanut butter or butter
Peanut butter.
or honey?
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter. I'm also going to draw a piece of butter on here. So let's see how this works. If I just draw a little circle, does that look like a piece of butter that you can spread?
I was going to do butter too.
Then I'm going to color in my cutlery. I'm going to do a silver color. Yeah. Silver. Kind of matches the plate.
I'm finished. Wait, I have to do my egg one more time.
Oh, I gotta do my cup of tea. So let me finish that up.
Now I'm finished.
Okay, gotta wait for me.
Okay.
And then I gotta put a tiny bit of bubbles in my tea. All right, let's zoom out. Let's see yours. Can you describe what's in on your plate?
Bacon and some tea and a fork and knife. And this is my pancake and my bread
Nice.
and my eggs. And I butter.
Okay, this is my cup of tea, my 2 pieces of bacon, my sunny side up egg, my toast, my beans, and 2 chocolate chip pancakes. Sound yummy?
No.
All right, guys, there is your breakfast of champions. Hope you enjoyed this video.
Bye.
To get notified of more new videos where I teach you to draw, be sure to subscribe.